Welcome to This Week in Wimberley. I'm Chris Doelle. I will be joined shortly by Mr. Z, Gary Zupancic. This is a show where we talk about what's going on in and around the Wimberley Valley, all the fun stuff. We will get to that in just a moment, but first, quick message from some people who made this show possible. Premier Cuts has locations in San Marcos and Kyle, and man, they are the absolute best. I can say this for a fact because I have been getting my hair cut there for well over a decade. And if I do say so myself, I think it looks really nice. They have some great specials. Wednesday, $14 men and boys haircuts, and Tuesday, $16 women and girl haircut. Both of those are $5 off the regular price. They also have the amazing airplane chair. If you have a kid who is getting his or her hair cut, sitting in the airplane chair will keep them distracted, keep them entertained, so the stylist can get their work done. The San Marcos location is on Aquarina Springs, and the Kyle location is just to the right of the HEB Plus. Again, that's Premier Cuts in Kyle and San Marcos. Looking for a one-stop shop for all your indoor, outdoor, garden, and ranch needs? Look no further than King Feed and Hardware. Our customers rave about our old general store vibe and the unique, eclectic mix of products you won't find anywhere else. Whether you need tools for the garden, supplies for your pets, equipment for your livestock or construction business, or just something for your home, we've got you covered. Plus, don't miss our destination nursery and garden center with a constantly changing inventory of plants, trees, vegetables, yard art, and outdoor furniture. Bring the family and visit our animal residence or pick up toys, games, and books for the kids. Come see us in Wimberley, Texas, and discover what makes King Feed and Hardware the ultimate shopping destination. All right, everybody, join me in welcoming Professor Z, Gary Zupancic, to the show. How you doing, man?
Doing pretty good. Weather's been, we got some rain. That's always welcome. And the weather's clearing up. It's supposed to be clear all weekend. So, hey, it's a good thing.
Yeah, it is. It is. And it's a long weekend, so we probably have a lot of things going on.
Well, we do, and there's a lot of stuff coming up next month, too.
Okay.
So really, it's the end of the year, end of the school year, and the seniors, there's no sports anymore, but the athletics went by the wayside, but the academics were real well. They had a state competition, UIL, and senior Azula Hunter Thiem headline WH's efforts at the UIL academic state meet with a state championship.
Nice.
Yeah, real nice. Wimberley's pro tem recognized by the state organization Texas Municipal League. Rebecca Minnick was recognized as a leadership fellow, and she's a friend. She really is really good city councilman. So really, yeah, all the graduates and their scholarships have been awarded to seniors, both at CAFS and at WHS. Mm-hmm. And normal stuff, Farmers Market on Thursdays, 2 to 6 at the corner of Ranch Road 12 and Winters Mill Parkway, and they have a whole bunch of stuff. It's not just food. They also have vendors with crafts, art, jewelry, and more. So it's really picking up. It's getting more and more crowded. Of course, the Wimberley Valley Museum is open for visitors every Friday from 1 to 4. And on the first weekend of each month, which is Market Day weekend, they're open both Friday and Saturday. And, of course, the bingo on Friday night. The Wimberley VFW Post 6441 hosts bingo on Friday nights. The doors open at 6:30. Food concessions. Early bird games start at 7 p.m. and regular games start at 8 p.m. And that's a nice thing to do on a Friday, when you gamble a little bit. Hey, it's a lot of fun. For more information, visit vfw6441.com/bingo.
Nice.
Okay, so there's a couple of cool things coming up. The Wimberley Valley Arts and Cultural Alliance, or WVACA, who supplies all the band information to me. October 14th, they're going to have at Community Center. They're going to have a film festival. it's going to be, they're going to have 3 age categories: adults, 20 and older, teens, 14 to 19, and children, 8 to 13. Films made by Texans about Texas or filmed by a Texan in any remote location are eligible for consideration, and that's a whole day, all-day festival. So that's a lot of fun, and really, I love to watch the films by the kids because they're so imaginative and so creative. It's pretty cool.
Totally stuff we never would have thought of, but
right,
really
exactly. Well, you know, I mean, they've been raised in a different atmosphere. You know, they've always had the computer, and you know, it's a lot easier these days than to make it, you know, with those 35 millimeter or really 8
right.
You know, so Wimberley Players is now going to have a outdoor series. Starts June 3rd. They have an indie pop rock band called the Goonies, the Goons. They're an alt pop band, and they're going to start the series on June 3rd at 8:30. And they're going to have really all summer. They're going to have movies or something going on in order to raise money for the Wimberley Players. Oh, the Wimberley Community Chorus is looking for singers as it prepares for the annual patriotic concert on July the 4th. So rehearsal begin Tuesday, May 30th at 6:30 p.m. And you can go to the Chapel of the Hills if you want to sing, or you can pre-register online at WimberleyCommunityChorus.org. And like I said, the weather it's just going to be beautiful this weekend. It's going to be highs in the mid-80s and lows in the 60s. And I look, there's no chances of rain. It's going to be great. It's going to be great. Yes, you know, and that's pretty cool when it rains during the week and then you have the weekend.
Right.
That's always nice. So, you know, bands around town, Friday, 10:15 a.m., Samantha at the KWVH porch or patio. They do, you know, really almost every day during the week at 10:15, they will have a live artist on the radio, and you can sit outside and watch. It's pretty cool.
Nice.
5 p.m., sliding by a Ghost Note. This is Friday. 6 p.m., David Bridwell at the Wimberley Inn and Bar. 6:30, Marvin and Laura Batera at Fishtails. 7 p.m., Bandrew at Savages. Saturday, May 27th, 10 a.m., Garista Kelly at the Wimberley Inn and Bar. 12 p.m., Jim Hartwell at Los Olivos. 1 p.m., good buddy Jesse Stratton Band will be at Rough House. 2 p.m., Michael James at the Wimberley Valley Winery. 3 p.m., Chaparral at Mercer Street. 3 p.m., Jerry Burns at Middleton Brewery. 4 p.m., David Orr at Rough House. 6 p.m., Chuck Ziegler at Hay City Store. 8 p.m., Max Gomez at the Purple Barn. 8 p.m., the Strato Crackers at Savages. And they're a pretty good group. They played here, I think, last week, and everybody was raving about how good they were. Chaparral at Mercer Street, 3 p.m. Now, on Sunday, 1 p.m., Music Festival at Devil's Backbone. And we went to that, I guess, about 3 weeks ago. It was a lot of fun. It's really big. Yeah, Devil's Backbone Dance Hall is pretty cool. 3 p.m., Rochelle and the Sidewinders at Ghost Note. 3 p.m., Monty Good at Mercer Street. 3 p.m., Chuck Shaw at Middleton's. 4 p.m., Michael James at Savages. And 6 p.m., Cannon Brand Band at Hay City Store. I had to slow down when I reread it because it all came together. So Monday, 2 p.m., Jeremy Parsons at Rough House because Monday is Memorial Day. 5 p.m. for Vermont Green at Savages. 6 p.m., W.C. Clark at Hay City Store. That probably be one to go to right there. And at 6 p.m., open mic at Middleton. So when it comes to the artists this week, it's Colleen Michelle Miller, and her song is Amarillo Rain. She's got a beautiful voice. She really does. She said this is the first song she ever released, and it's one of the biggest reasons she gained popularity. It's about a relationship that seemed impossible to save, and we've all been in them. It seems like sometimes love comes and goes as quickly as rain in West Texas. So that's really what inspired the song and the whole hook. And it's a sad song, but it's really, really good.
It's raining in keep telling me that you love me, but baby, I just don't know. 'Cause my heart just can't take no more. Between the fighting and the lying and the crying and the scheming, like the wind from the storm, my soul is screaming for you to be the one I need you to be. But like a hurricane, you leave behind tears and sorrow. Like the Amarillo rain, I'll be gone tomorrow. Your blue eyes always made my day, and your smiling made me weak. You keep saying we're gonna work this out, but every night I keep losing sleep. 'Cause my heart just can't take no more. Between the fighting and the lying and the crying and the scheming, like the wind from the storm, my soul is screaming for you to be the one I need you to be. But like a hurricane, you leave behind tears and sorrow. Like the Amarillo rain, I'll be gone tomorrow. It's raining in Amarillo. The air outside is cold, but my heart just can't take no more. Between the fighting and the lying and the crying and the scheming, like the wind from the storm, my soul is screaming for you to be the one I need you to be. But like a hurricane, you leave behind tears and sorrow. Like the Amarillo rain, I'll be gone. Oh, like a hurricane, you leave behind tears and sorrow. Like the Amarillo rain, I'll be gone tomorrow.
Excellent. You're right. That's a really good song. It's kind of a throwback to an old country song. And,
Yeah.
It just makes you feel right there.
Yeah, really, I was listening to the production of it, and it's, it's really nice. It's really good
Yeah.
production. I really liked it. So the nonprofit this week is the Amigos de Jesus, and what they do is they're 501c3 nonprofit, tax exempt. They help provide basic daily needs such as food, clothing, and health emergencies for the Wimberley community. They have a new program, and it's a mentorship program, and they are looking for students to pursue opportunities like college, trade school, entrepreneurship, and military service. They say they want the culture of the mentorship program to be productive, but also warm, inviting, and fun. In that spirit, they'll have food, games, and team-building activities that encourage students to connect with other members of the Spanish community. And it does support the underserved members of Wimberley by providing food essentials and educational opportunities. At their heart of their current program is a food pantry that they stock just in case of emergencies or on an individual level or, a big level. They're located at 100 Melody Way in Wimberley, and if you want to provide some food or make a donation, You can go to WimberleyAmigos.org.
I love it. I love it. And I just want to remind everybody to enjoy the weekend and have as much of a good time as you can on Memorial Day while still remembering the purpose. It's not to honor those serving now, it's to honor those who did not come back. So keep that in mind. Exactly.
It used to be called Decoration Day.
Yeah.
And I think that changed in the early 50s, So, yeah, it is a really, really great holiday, and really be safe, don't drink too much, and, drive.
Right on, right on. Well, Gary, gosh, I want to thank you once again. Great stuff going on. Hope you get to enjoy some of this wonderful weather this weekend.
Okay, yeah. And don't forget, I have a radio show at 1 p.m. on Tuesdays at the Hitchin Post. And this week I have a metaphysical author on, so it should be quite interesting.
So when you're doing your show, can they see you in the fishbowl too?
Yes. Yeah, it's all live. Yeah, it's all live. I don't record it. In fact, I'm an adrenaline junkie, and that's why I do it, because something can go wrong at any time,
I love it. So I encourage everybody to go out there and to watch you, maybe make some faces through the glass.
Yeah, please do. On Tuesday, KWVH, and KWVH.org. In the archives, you will find my programs.
Sounds good. Thanks a lot, Gary.
All right. You have a good holiday. Take care, Chris.
You too.
Suffering from dry, itchy skin? Tired of using products that just don't work? The organic lavender salve from 100 Oaks Farm in Inez, Texas is just what you need. Made with only the finest all-natural ingredients, this salve is proven to heal wounds, soothe irritated skin, and repair damaged skin tissue. Whether you have rashes, burns, bites, stings, scars, acne, or just need a little extra moisture, our lavender salve is here to help. Say goodbye to dry, cracked skin and hello to soft, hydrated skin with 100 Oaks Farm's organic lavender salve. Order now at 100oaksfarmtexas.com or call 937-499-4790. Don't let damaged skin hold you back any longer. Get your hands on this miracle organic lavender salve now. As always, I want to thank Gary for sitting down with me. I want to thank you guys for tuning in, for giving us what I consider the most important and valuable gift you can give, and that is your time and your attention. Go out there and participate in your city. Participate in all the great events going on in the city, and tell us about it on your Facebook groups, on your Twitter, anywhere you have friends. Share it out.